So here we are, some ideas for a slowing economy. Well, we've spoken on our last show, when the market is trading sideways or slowing down, how can you make money? Well, you buy dividend payers, right? Stocks or investments in general that pay you something while you wait for the growth. You could also look to some of the interesting trends in the markets. We just had Lauren Sugarman on talking about the metaverse. What about AI, ChatGPT, some of the companies that are benefiting, Microsoft, Bard, which is the equivalent of ChatGPT at Google or Alphabet. Maybe Google or Alphabet makes sense. NVIDIA. So these are some of the areas, but you can also look for those pockets of strength. We just had a bunch of good quality earnings from the US bank. So maybe you look at JP Morgan. We have a chart of JP Morgan here. There's a great chart. Look how JP Morgan has really moved higher in the last few months. On a separate area of the market, we look at Meta, or formerly known as Facebook. We just talked about the metaverse. Now I can tell you that Facebook, or Meta, has really moved higher, not so much because of the metaverse as of late, but because of things such as stories and reels and Instagram in general, or Facebook, or Oculus, or all the things that going on the Meta platform and all their different areas can bring for you, whether it's WhatsApp, etc. These are all opportunities. And we know that 2 to 3 billion people are on Facebook apps or Meta apps every day. So this has been a pocket of strength and a great stock. Look at this chart, unbelievable chart. We have another chart here, Deere & Company. Deere might be familiar to all of you. This is your heavy machinery that the farmers use out in the fields, the tractors to plow the fields. You can see you can see Deere has come down a little bit, but a fantastic company. They reported fantastic earnings. Definitely a pillar of strength for this market. And I think some really good strength to come as yet. I think the last chart we have in this group, a fantastic chart, is Eli Lilly, a U.S. pharmaceutical. They actually have a drug right now that is for obesity. You take this drug and it helps you lose weight. What a magnificent drug for many people to help them with weight loss, which is obviously a huge thing in North America. And you can see this chart down in the 325 range today, over 370. They also have other drugs in their pipeline that are fantastic as well. Alzheimer's, dementia, drugs in that space as well. So fantastic opportunity to buy a stock or to get into a pocket of strength, as I call it, even in a slowing economy. So don't be fooled when you hear slowing economy, I can't make money. That is not true. You can make money in a slowing economy or an economy that's trending sideways if you look at and do your homework and find good quality names trading on the cheap.